Together for Our Keiki is going to be an exciting opportunity for parents, educators, administrators, and community members to come together and learn more about how to support our special needs Keiki.
My name is Deborah Ho'ohuli, and I am a registered behavior technician on the island of Maui. I'm involved with this event as one of the planners, and I'm also one of the presenters.
My name is Gene Zaro, and I'm the Chief Executive Officer of South Maui Learning Ohana, otherwise known as SMLO. South Maui Learning Ohana is the founding organization of Kihei Charter School, and their mission is to support all educational initiatives on the island of Maui.
Applied behavior analysis, or ABA, as it applies to learning, is a scientific, systematic, and evidence-based approach.
As you know, the growing autism epidemic is unknown how many more students will be entering the school system and need additional assistance and support. But I know for a fact that there are parents throughout the state of Hawaii that still to this day have not gotten the help that they need for their children. So Together for Our Keiki is absolutely what the name sounds like. It's about the kids.
It is important for SMLO to host this event because autism is an emerging crisis in the school system and in families across America, and we need to be part of that solution.
People who should attend are anyone who wants to know more about what applied behavior analysis, or ABA, looks like on a school campus, and anyone who might need some tips on how to get services into their individual education plan.
Aloha, my name is Andrea Tupola, and I'm inviting you to our very first Together for Our Keiki conference. It's going to be at Kihei Charter School at 650 Lipoa Parkway. We're inviting you from 8 to 3:30 p.m. and you can register today.